Dori Soukup here, founder of InSPAration Management, with another question of the week. This week's question came to us from Harry from North Carolina. Harry's asking, I noticed that you do a newsletter monthly. Do you recommend that we do it as well? Yes. But then he says, I don't have time to do it. Do you have any suggestions? Okay, I have a couple of suggestions actually for you. And the answer is yes, you definitely need a newsletter. Whether you do it or somebody else does it, it definitely needs to get done. Now, if you want to do it, the best advice I can give you is that you need to block the time on your calendar. For example, I've been publishing our newsletter for the past 10 years, and it goes out on the first of each month like clockwork. And the reason I can do that is because it gets blocked on my schedule. I have time to write it, and then I have time because since January we've been actually doing the newsletter on a videotape as well. So what I do is I block time for writing and block time for videotaping, and that way I make sure that the newsletter goes out on the first of each month. So that's if you want to do it yourself. There are options. If you don't want to do it yourself, then you could be like many of the done-for-me clients that we have, spa marketing clients, and we actually do the newsletter for you. So monthly, we give you a featured article, we give you recommendations for promotions, we give the note from you, we give you a cuisine recipe, healthy recipe that you can put in there, what's trendy, what's popular. So this gets designed for you. You can customize it, you can put your own pictures in it if you want, and that way it won't take you an entire day or however long to sit down and come up with all the content yourself. But if you want to do it yourself, hey, that's fine and dandy. But if you don't, then you should utilize a service like ours and be able to have that continuous communication. Because here's the fact, the reason you want a newsletter is because you want to nurture the relationship between you and them. You know the statement that says out of sight, out of mind? Well, the reason they don't come back to you is because they have not heard from you. But if you're building the relationship and you're giving them value and you're appreciating them and you're telling them what's going on and you're educating them and you're doing videos and you're fun and exciting and showing them all the things they can do to improve their lifestyle, then they're definitely going to come back and see you. But if the only communication you're doing with them is just sending out promotions to buy, then they're gonna go bye-bye if that's the case. So I want you to definitely have some kind of a valuable communication between you and them, such a newsletter. So if you want more information about the newsletter we create for our clients, you can contact one of my team members. They'll be more than happy to show you some samples and tell you exactly how the program works. And actually, it's very reasonable for what you get. So you should check it out and see how we can help you, so we can save you some time and you can focus on what you do best. That would be a good thing for you to do. So hope that answered your question. Get going. Make sure you have a newsletter. So if you too have a question, make sure you write it to Dori at InSPArationManagement.com so we can give you the answers you're looking for. Until next time, stay inspired.